Hey, Monte with Skupnos Novo Zelenia, with you here again, answering questions. And here's a question that I sometimes hear. Why does God allow evil or suffering? Or why doesn't God stop evil or suffering? So if you followed the other responses about the question of the existence of evil, you'll see a continuation of the same line of reasoning with this answer. The short answer here is that it would be a violation of the free will that He has given to us. See, free will beings are the cause of evil, and freedom was given to us so that we could love. Love is the greatest good for all creatures, but love is impossible without freedom. So if freedom was taken away, which is the only way to end evil, that would be evil itself. So, to follow these conclusions to their end, evil cannot simply be destroyed. God warned us what would happen if His creation chose to be independent from Him, and now all of us see the unfortunate result of our choices. So, evil then cannot be destroyed if we're going to maintain free will. And instinctively, we all know we want free will. But you see, evil can be defeated. Even in the scenario where God warned the outcome of the choice of not following Him would be trouble, He promised that there would be a time where all evil and suffering would end. You see, He refuses to allow evil to have the final say about us. He has written the final chapter, and all will have an opportunity to come to Him when He returns. So in the meantime, He has provided His Word, the Bible, to warn us of the wrong or evil choices that we could possibly make. He's given us the key to return to Him and restore that right relationship with Him, and that key is Jesus. And He gives us the freedom to make that choice on our own. He doesn't force us. See, evil and suffering are the outcome of decisions made by His creation. But His love is greater than His demand for justice, in that He provided a way to escape this eternal evil and suffering. It doesn't come from a work that we do. It comes from a decision that we make with our own free will. So the question I'm going to ask you is, what will you decide about Jesus, who is the way, the truth, and the life, and the way to escape that eternal evil and suffering for all eternity? So I hope this would answer the question about why God cannot simply stop evil and suffering. It's because we have free will. If you have other questions about this topic or maybe other topics, check out our database of videos. If none of those answer your question, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to sit down and answer your questions. So you can find the ways to reach us if you follow the QR code that's going to follow this video. So until the next video, then, God bless you.